I wanna feel you under my body. I wanna feel you on. Flex, time to impress. Come and climb in my bed. Don't be shy to your face.
Hey guys, what up? It's your girl back at it again on your screen. Today's video is a very simple video. It's an easy look that I did. It kind of created it using the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is totally awesome. This is Jaclyn Hill Palette by Morphe. Here, you guys can see it. It has all the colors in the back. And this is the inside of the palette. I'm sure you guys have seen this palette, and you guys have seen like thousands of videos with this palette, so I don't really think I need to like go into full detail about, you know, this palette. You guys know that it was sold out everywhere on Morphe's website, and then Ulta decided that they were going to carry the brand, and I think Jaclyn Hill kind of remade the packaging, I think, and came up with this. The colors are the same. I think it's just like the packaging that was different from like what I heard. But yeah, so I just created this look using, I think I used, let me see, like I used maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. I used 4 colors from this palette. I'm trying to put it in my viewfinder, sorry. So I used 4 colors from this palette to do this look, and it turned out really bomb. It's turned out fairly easy. You guys know I love like the dramatic looks with the glitter. So if you guys like how I did this look, please keep on watching.
Let's start off with priming our eyes. I'm using my trusty Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and the color is Fair. I'm just going to dot this over on my eye and blend it in just to prime my eyes. You guys can use any primer that you like, eyeshadow based primer. Concealers work just as well, so I'm going to try this. Okay, to set the concealer, I'm using a little bit of powder. This one is the Hello Flawless by Benefit in the color Petal. You guys can use setting powder if you like. You guys can use eyeshadow, but just make sure it's not a shimmer eyeshadow, or else it won't really set your concealer. Alright, so I'm picking up the 4th color off the top. The color is called MFEO. I'm using a sort of like a crease brush, and I'm just placing the color on the crease. All of the names of all her eyeshadows are so interesting. Like, I've never heard like names like this before, like how she named them. It's so interesting. She has like one color called Pukey, and she has like Firework, Little Lady, Sissy, Faint, Beam, Twerk, Royalty, Meeks, 24/7. Like, the names of her shadows are so unique, like Jaclyn.
I turn the Ritz into a pool house. It's like eviction number 4 now. Go ahead and dash it on the floor now.
I'm grabbing this purple color called Royalty. It's super sparkly. It is the first color in the 4th row. I am going to be placing this color on my outer V and bringing it in on the lid slightly. I am also going to be bringing this color in on our crease right under the first color that we put. It was called MFEO. We're going to be placing that underneath, placing Royalty underneath it. Okay, I'm picking up this really cool blue sparkly color. It's called Pool Party. It is the first color in the last row. We're going to be placing this all over the lid, and I'm sorry I don't have a full clip of this because I think I forgot to press record when I started applying this, so sorry guys. Now I'm just going in, adding the finishing touches, kind of darkening up the color as I go, so you guys can do that to your liking. Okay, I'm picking up this really dark color. It's the last color in the last row. It's called ABYSS. I don't even know how to pronounce this. I'm placing this color on the outer V, right on top of the purple color royalty that we put on, just to darken it up. And I'm going to darken up the, and like the crease too with this color, slightly, not that much though.
You don't gotta go to work, but you gotta put in work. You don't gotta.
For eyeliner, I'm using MAC's FLUIDLINE in the color BLACKTRAck, and I'm just going to place this slightly on my top waterline. I'm not going to do like a winged eyeliner. I'm just keeping it really simple.
Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night.
To line my waterline, I'm using Marc Jacobs HIGHLINER in the color black. Okay guys, next is my favorite part, the glitter. I'm using a brand called Bella Terra Mineral Cosmetics in the color C. Okay, so I'm using some setting spray on a brush to act basically as like an adhesive for the glitter, because obviously you guys know you can't just take glitter and place it, you know, on your eye, because it's not going to adhere. So you can use lash glue, setting sprays. There's like a lash adhesive by Too Faced, I believe. You guys can use anything. So for even more multi-dimensional glitter, I'm using this one by NYX. It is the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in the color Crystal Aqua. And I'm just going to place this slightly, you know, little areas. Okay, so I have my eyelashes on and the rest of my makeup. We're going to smoke out the lower lash line. So I'm going to pick up the color Royalty and the color ABYSS, and we're going to place it on the outer like corner of the eye. And then I'm going to take the color Pool Party and we're going to place it near the inner corner of the eye and smoke that out.
I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me.
Alright guys, this is the completed look. It was very easy, as you guys can see. I just added some glitter just to, like, you know, give it that pop that I needed. If you guys don't like glitter, you guys don't have to use it. You can just, you know, use the blue shade just like that, and you guys don't have to put the glitter. It's up to you. It's a very little, you know, simple, versatile look that I did. It would have been perfect for New Year's Eve or New Year's, or if you guys have any other, like, you know, pre or post holiday parties or anything to go to. It would be a perfect look for a date, going to the club, anything you guys want. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Glam Girl out.
I wanna feel you under my body. I wanna